Hey everyone! Today I want to wrap up this Google Ads course. On one hand it's finished, but on the other it's not. Let me explain what I mean. Setting up the ads only happens once. But after that it's all about non-stop analysis and optimization. Just like I showed you in these videos. So even though you finish the course, you'll need to revisit the analysis lessons again and again. This course was built on the logic of 10% effort for 90% of the results. The main audience here is business owners. People who spent a fortune on ads, got zero results and decided to figure it out themselves. They want to know why it isn't working and what went wrong. All new videos I recorded about Google Ads will be added to this playlist after this final lesson. So you should definitely watch everything on order first. The new ones will be bonus lessons. I'll record them based on your request and the comments I see. If Google make major changes, I replace all videos with new ones. I'm planning to record 2 more courses soon. The next one is on SEO, followed by a course on building WordPress websites. If you finish this course, I have a small favor to ask. Go back to the first lesson and leave a comment with your results. Let's help others make the right choice. This course is free and many people think free means low quality. If you are taking paid Google Ads course before, you can see the level here is much higher. Please mention that in the comments. I'd really appreciate it. If you have a personal question, you can ask me on Discord. That's it for today. Now for my signature line. Think bigger and make money. See you in the bonus lessons or in the next courses.